All right, today we're working on another motorcycle lost key replacement. This one's going to be a 2004 Buell Blast 500. This one actually came from a private owner, not a mechanic or a dealer like that we normally deal with. You may notice in the other videos I deal with people all over the country, from the Midwest to the East Coast to, West Coast. But this actually came from a private owner. They send us the ignition lock. So basically, here's the plan of action. I'm going to take the lock. I'm going to decode it, figure out what the exact cuts are. I don't change nothing. Figure out what the key cuts are. And then go ahead and cut the keys. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and make sure that it's working nice and smooth. And that's it. Then it goes back. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy is done. We found some plastic head keys. Usually I have some metal keys that I use, but I ended up finding these plastic ones that work. So here we go. Oh, there you go. Key one. I guess that would be on. Bing, bing. Lock the steering wheel. Really not much to say about this. This one doesn't have a chip in it. And that's about it. Really not much to really say about this. Keys are made. This will go back to the customer. They'll be back riding again. You need my help, just give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's basically it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. And those of you mechanics and dealers that I deal with, that watch my videos, I appreciate y'all. And the rest of y'all appreciate y'all as well. Y'all have a good one.